Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my first class from the new annual catalog, and it is featuring the Attention Shoppers stamp set and dies. These dies are so cute. They cut out the little shopping carts. So for this class, there's going to be 5 projects, and let me show you the projects, and then I'll show you what it is included. So of course, you know, I always like to do a 3D. So this is a little box that you can put whatever you want. I won't open it because the ribbon's all tight and everything. So this is project number 1. Project number 2 is this birthday card. And we are using all of the in colors. So this designer series paper has all the new in colors in it. So this one, the main color is Peach Pie. This one was Pretty in Pink. This one is Shy Shamrock. Shy Shamrock and Summer Splash seem to be very close to me. So this is a buckle fold. This will open like this, and there's the place in there for you to write your little message. And this one is a freestanding card, so it stands like this, but it opens like this. Fancy, fancy. And that's using Petunia Pop. I'm gonna move these kind of out of the way. And this one is my most favorite. It does not use the in colors, but can anybody guess what the red? I made a Target shopping cart with the Target shopping bags. But look at how cute. So shopping is always a good idea. Treat yourself. And then it has a Target birthday card in there, a gift card. You can put any gift card, but this is my most favorite. So this will be one of the projects. So those are your 5 projects. So now let's talk about what's included. So you're going to get the materials to make all 5 of these projects. You're going to get a half a pack of the designer series paper. It's Unbounded Love, and it's got all these different designs. You're going to get a half pack, and they'll be cut into 6 by 12. Oops. And it'll be all those pieces. So basically you're going to get this cut in half. So you'll have 12 pieces of 6 by 12 DSP, and you're going to use this for all your projects. You're going to get a spool of the Pretty in Pink ribbon. Of course, all my stuff's being used. And you're going to get a package of the in color resin dots. I use those on all of the projects. So from now on, all of my classes are going to be to go. The next few months, I'm going to be busy, and I will be out of town, but I will be working from, I'll be in California, so I'll be working from there. So you'll still get your class kits and everything, but everything's going to be to go. And all of my class tutorials now will include a video link so that you can see me put all the projects together as well, since I won't be here live to show you. So you're going to get the PDF tutorial with the video. You're going to get the ribbon, the resin dots, a half a pack of DSP, all the materials to put these 6 projects together. And that class is going to be $44. And it includes the priority shipping that we'll have tracking on. If you want to add the Attention Shopper bundle, that's additional $39.50, but I'll include it in your class kit, and I'll pay the tax and shipping on this to me. So it'll just be included in your class kit. And the option 2 is just my PDF tutorial as always, and then that'll be emailed once the class ship. So the deadline to register for this class is May 17th, and then the class kits will ship May 24th. In case there's any items on back order, the kits might be delayed a little bit, but other than that, that's it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. So again, deadline to register is May 17th and the kits will ship May 24th. And I will post a link right below this video. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. You guys take care. Bye.